Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today I'm going to tell you how you're going to connect a Wi-Fi device with your inverter, and I'm using uh, like you can see that it's a 5 kilowatt 5.2 kilowatt Aerox in this inverter, and I'm going to connect a Wi-Fi device, as you can see here, connected to this system. Here we have other two system as well. It's a 15 kilowatt setup. So let's start. So after connecting this device to the system, first we have to go to the um, this part and see that it's working or not. You can find the status right here. Okay, now configure it. Okay, so first password is admin, login. Now you can give a name, 10 2, submit. Okay, so it is not going to accept this dash, so I'm naming it with 110 to the hotline. Submit. Continue. New password. Submit. Continue. Now you have to log in first. PS login. Client mode. Now the Wi-Fi device which you are going to connect with the system. Submit. Reboot. Okay. Enter name to Taha and so okay. Wait for a while. No device found. Okay, now you have to deattach your device once, so it can reboot itself. Now connect it again. Wait for a few seconds so it can get the data. Okay. Now you can recheck it. Okay, it's not working. It's not working. It's gonna take a while. Okay, let's leave it. What we are going to do? We are going to reconnect it with the. Okay, it's not showing actually. Smart solar application is not showing it. Did at first it's gonna take a little while to communicate. Okay, so here we get the result. Finally, we are going to copy this like this, and now we have to open the smart solar application. And we have to add new device here like this, just paste it here, and you are all set to run. Okay, so I have added 3 devices. Now I am going to watch this one. This is the second one device. Okay, so everything is connected now. Usage today, yesterday, false. Okay, now thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.